Hey everybody, this is Karina from Plan in Love, and in this video I'm going to show you how you're able to create name cards with us here. So just to start off, you're going to go ahead and go to the Plan in Love website here and make your way over to the stationery and sign section here. And then we're going to go down to the name card section right here, kind of in the middle here, and then this is where you're able to find all of the wedding table name cards, so place cards here. So add a personal touch to your table seating with our customizable table wedding name Canva cards, also known as place cards or escort cards. Choose from a variety of free name cards or designs, so they range from free to a premium price, and then personalize them with your guests' names via Canva here. So I'm just going to go through some of these here, what they could look like. So these ones are $0 here, so they're free, and then we go up to $12.50 here. And that is just for that one design here. So you buy this design from us, you customize it yourself, and then you can print as many as you'd like. So this isn't $12.50 per, this is just for to own that design here. So I'm going to go ahead and pick one of these to show you what that downloading process is like. So I'm going to go ahead and do the Terracotta Boho Autumn Wedding Name card here, and it just kind of looks like this, and then I'm going to go to Add to Cart here. So once this is in my cart, I'm going to go to View Checkout, and of course feel free to add as many as you like, especially if you're kind of workshopping different designs and such. No harm because they're all free, so might as well. So when you're placing your order, make sure you just fill out this billing details here, and then we will email you the links to those Canva ones there. So Terracotta Boho Autumn, that's what I want, and then I'll go ahead and place order. So once I have placed this order, it'll be in my download, so it'll show me the product, and then this will be the download link here. This is going to take me to a PDF file, and again, we're going to email you this information as well, so you'll have it forever, and if it's not in your main inbox, make sure you're checking that spam inbox there as well. So I've gone ahead and clicked that, and it's going to be in my download folder here, so we can see the Terracotta Boho Autumn, and if I click that, it's just going to send me to this PDF file here. So how this works is you're going to log in or create a free account via Canva, access the template via the link provided above, click the Use Templates button to save a new copy of the template to your Canva account and begin editing. If the link provided does not open or gets you some sort of error, please try a different browser. As well, in this PDF, we have provided a Canva editor overview. So this is just for people who might not be super familiar with the Canva software here. So just step-by-step instructions on where to find things and how to get to things. So, and then we go into more detail about editing texts, changing colors, changing layer positions, downloading those files, adding a link, uploading images, stuff like that. So that's all going to be provided with once you download and purchase these from us here. So I'm going to go ahead and click to download here. Click that, and this will open the Canva website. So this is a template created that you can use. So we're going to go ahead and use template for new design. And then you're going to go ahead and edit to your heart's content. You can change anything you'd like about these. These are yours for whatever you'd like to do. And again, you'll always have that copy, the original copy. So maybe you've made a mistake or you want to revert back to the original one. You'll always have that. So here you can change the file name, which I do recommend because copy of Pop Romance name card is not necessarily going to be something you remember in your computer file system. So go ahead and change this to name cards, something you're going to remember, rendition 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe you're trying out different things, just something you're going to remember in the future. And something that I like to do just to make things easier and to make sure everything is concise is obviously we have that one name card here that says Ashley, and again, of course, you're going to go ahead and edit that name and whatever whoever's invited to your wedding here, and then maybe I want some of this out. Maybe I'd like this a little better if I want this like this. I want a capital letter here for the first name. It's all style. It's all up to you, obviously. But that looks like that. Put in the middle. Perfect, I love that. And if I like the way that my design is, so these elements on the side, the way this looks here, I'm gonna go ahead, and because you're making multiples of these and you want them kind of all to look the same, you're gonna go ahead and go up here and duplicate that page, and then you can add other people's names here, and then it would be the exact same layout, the exact same position for each, so the only thing you're changing is the name in the middle here. So maybe you want to put maybe table one, like kind of break it up by table. You can do whatever you want with these, but this is just kind of like a basic template that you can use to help you get with that process more. So again, when you are making these, make sure you like your final design and then duplicate that and just add all the names. It makes it super easy. So once you're finished with your final designs, you have all of your name cards ready to go, all in one document here. You're going to go ahead and go up to the share button up here, click share, and then you're going to be able to download that. So once you click download, you can go to this file type section here, go to the drop down menu, and then hit PDF for print if you're printing these, to go on the table. And then that would be, you would hit download, and then you're free to print to your heart's content. So thank you so much for watching. This was how to download and edit our name cards here on Plan and Love. Thank you.